Hello students, today we are going to study how will you convert small numbers into standard form and how will you convert numbers in usual form. So let us study it through examples. What does converting small number in standard form means? You have to write it in exponent form. Writing small numbers in standard form means converting the decimals into exponent form, and converting numbers in usual form means converting it from exponent to decimal form or just removing the exponent part. So let us begin how we do it. Let us take an example. Let us proceed with an example. The first example is 0.4579. You need to convert this number in standard form. You need to convert this number in standard form. Now listen, what does standard form means? You have to convert it in such a way that only one number is present before the decimal. Only one number is present before the decimal. So, how will you do it? Since you are bringing only one number before the decimal, that is 0.4579. After decimal, you do not have any zero, you have on the number. When you bring this 4 this side, you multiply it to the power minus 1. So it becomes 4.579 into 10 to the power minus 1. When you bring any number after the decimal towards the decimal, before the decimal, you raise it to a negative power. You raise it to a negative power. If we take a second example, that is 0.00007. This is the number and you have to convert it in a standard form. So you have to bring this integer. You have to bring this number 7 before the decimal. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to raise it to the power minus 6. So it becomes 7 into 10 to the power minus 6. You need to bring only one number before the decimal. Now let us take the next question. Third, 0.000000564. Now you have to convert it in standard form. The method is you have to bring this 5 before the decimal. So how many numbers are there till 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you need to raise it to the power minus 7. So it becomes 5.64 into 10 to the power minus 7. The next question. 2160000. Now look, since there is no decimal and you need to write it in standard form, what you will do is you will write 2.16. Only one number is before the decimal. Only one number is before the decimal. Now how many numbers were there after 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will write it as to the power 7. Since there is no decimal, you will raise it to a positive power. Since there was a decimal, you raise it to negative power. Fifth, 9573 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now look, since there is no decimal in the number, we can write it as 9.573 into 10 to the power 3 this number, like this one we have done. We can write it as 9, we have taken decimal after this. Or how many numbers were after the decimal? There are 3. So 9.573 into 10 to the power 3. So this number is written in this form. Now the remaining part is 10 to the power minus 4. So we have studied 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. So when bases are same, the power gets added. So it becomes 9.573 into 10 to the power minus 1. So this is how you convert small numbers in standard form. This is how you convert numbers in standard form. You must be seeing that you are converting the decimals in exponents. You see, you bring up exponents in every. This is having no exponent. Here we have exponent. No exponent, exponent. So writing numbers in the form of exponents. This is how you. This is converting small numbers in standard form. Now we will do converting numbers in usual form. What we do is remove the exponent. 3.52 into 10 to the power 4. Very simple. 3.52 into 10 to the power 4. You can write it as 352 by 100 into 10 to the power 4. That is 352 by. So 10 to the power 2 divided by 10 to the power 4 divided by 10 to the power 2. It becomes 352 into 10 to the power 2, that is 0, 0. Now second. 7.54 into 10 to the power minus 4. It becomes 754 by 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. When it goes up, it becomes 754 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. So what is it altogether? Seven 54 into 10 to the power minus 6. You can write it as 754 by 10 to the power 6 or 0.0000754. This can be written as 0.000754. 6 zeros you have, 3 zeros will be consumed in 754 and 3 zeros will be after the decimal part. Third is 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. Directly you can write 3 by 10 to the power 5. So 1 zero will be consumed in 3 and the rest remaining zeros will be after the decimal. This is how it will be. So this is how you can convert things. Let us take one more example. 6.18 into 10 to the power minus 3. So how will you write it? 618 into 10 to the power 2. Bring this 3 downward. 618 into 10 to the power 5. So 3 zeros are consumed in this, 2 zeros are remaining, that will be after decimal. This is how you convert numbers in usual form. So this chapter is over and in the next class we will be doing one more chapter. Thank you.